Hi, I'm Amy Summers and I've been an IBO with Pure for 6 years, and today I am excited to talk to you about our detox that has been changing literally thousands of people's lives. People ask me all the time, who needs to detox? And I say, everybody needs to detox. We're toxic by the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. And every day we are being exposed to those toxins. And with Pure's Detox, we address the detoxification of the body. What are the signs that your body is screaming for a detox? A lot of people look at this program that are struggling with their weight. Are you overweight? Have weight loss resistance? Are you fatigued? Low energy, inflammation, chronic pain, headaches, migraines, hormonal imbalances. Those are just a few. What makes this program so incredible and why it's worked for so many people is because it's truly different. Number one, we address the detoxification of the body. And first, we are going to cleanse and detoxify the whole body. We have 7 channels of elimination: the liver, the lungs, the lymphatic system, the kidneys, the bloodstream, the colon, and the skin. This program is going to cleanse and detoxify the whole human body. In cooperation with that, we're also going to implement an eating program. This is not a starvation program. We are feeding the body. Our foods, we show you portion control. We show you how to implement a healthy carbohydrate, fat, protein, vegetable. Not only are we implementing whole foods and raw plant-based nutrition, you are flooding your body with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients from our Pure supplementation. Our detox has 2 programs. We have a 7-day program followed up by a 28-day program. I encourage everybody to start on our 7-day program. Anybody can do anything for 7 days. And what's really exciting, once you get to that 7-day benchmark, you can continue on to that full 28-day ultimate body reset. Remember, it's about picking a system that works best for you, creating new habits and a healthy lifestyle. We recommend at Pure that you do a 7-day detox every month and a 28 detox every 2 to 3 months. People are always looking to shed a few pounds, but it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about feeding your body and how your cells communicate with each other. While you're feeding your cells, your body is pulling out waste. You are likely to shed a few pounds depending on how long you participate. But the program works by resetting your metabolism, and you will build healthier habits and become accustomed to eating healthier. The Detox has an amazing guide, a simple guide to help you have great success with this program. First and foremost, we're gonna share with you exactly what to do, step by step. Number 1, we're gonna share with you what foods should you be eating. We're gonna help you pick from a healthy protein, carbohydrate, vegetable, fruit, and fat. Then we're gonna show you what to do, right? It's a daily calendar, a simple step. Day 1 through day 7, and if you continue on to that 28-day benchmark, you are going to get a full body detox with this guide. Along with this guide, there are amazing recipes. Some of our favorites are the Pure Cafe Heaven in Your Mouth recipe, our Mila green smoothie recipe. We even have crab cakes. There are so many recipes that you can choose from on our website. Along with the amazing recipes that are on our website, you can have unlimited water, broth, and pickles on this program because we want to make sure that you never feel hungry. Why the sodium? Why is that so important? When you restrict calories, you tend to restrict sodium. Not enough sodium consumption can cause fatigue and muscle aches. Increasing your sodium intake, consuming both broth and pickles, will give you your sodium intake that you need every single day. Seeing is believing. Here are some amazing before and after photos and success stories. Now you just saw the amazing before and after shots of what's happened with this detox program, so let's talk about those packs. There are 3 packs to get started on here at Pure. Number 1, we have your basic pack. This pack has enough product for one person to complete that full 28-day detox or 4 7-day detoxes. Our number 2 pack is the Detox Plus Kit. This pack again has enough product for one person for 28 days, 4 7-day detoxes, plus it has our superfruits, and of course the ultimate detox pack, which is my favorite, has enough product for 2 people to complete 28 days. It has our GPS sports performance line, which is the perfect pair. We want you detoxing and we want you working out, and we want you doing this with an accountability partner. Grab a friend, grab a detox pack, and get started today. Remember, this is a journey. Though the detox may be challenging at times, you've got a community of support, people that are there to help cheer you on and support you. Remember, it's only 7 days. Anybody can do anything for 7 days. Start there. If you continue on to that 28-day journey, you'll achieve that ultimate body reset. What are you waiting for? Get connected with the person that shared this video with you, get your pack ordered, and start your new you today.